Hello, this is Colonel Popeye Howard, and I'm not going to let any of you civilians go any further with this show until we come to a firm agreement. I've got a bone to pick with all you fatheads out there, and you know the ones, the fatheads who are stupid enough to bring cell phones and beepers and alarm watches into the movie houses. I don't pay my way into a movie house so I can stare at a fathead who sits right in front of me and listen to their beaks flapping when they stuff their fatheads with candy and popcorn. And let's not forget the fatheads who bring their babies, their bawling babies, to the movie house. Leave those little brats at home, people, please. And I don't pay to get impressed with fatheads with those little beeping crap devices, the watches, the the phones. No. Now listen up. This is a direct order. You will stop the fathead infection in our movie houses now. Just remember your basic training. Use the correct trajectory and velocity when you fire your ordnance, which includes jujubes, junior mints, popcorn, and milk duds. Aim for the center of those fatheads, people, to ensure a direct hit. That is all as you were. It is your duty to do as I have suggested for your country, people. And let's get this fathead problem solved once and for all. This is Colonel Popeye Howard Diz Schmidt.